There's something beautiful about a mechanical watch.
It's a simple, yet complex machine.
You won't see people wearing something on their wrist that looks like this, that shows time like this. XERIC is back with our second collection, the HALOGRAPH.
Kickstarter was the perfect place to launch the XERISCOPE a little over a year ago, and now we're back with the HALOGRAPH. We think this design perfects our vision for alternative timekeeping.
We're always trying to deconstruct traditional time displays.
The HALOGRAPH runs on kinetic energy that you create in your daily activity. It doesn't need batteries, it doesn't need updates. It's powered entirely by you.
As you wear the HALOGRAPH, the motion of your wrist spins the rotor, storing enough energy for a 36-hour power reserve.
The downside to any smartwatch is the moment you put it on your wrist, it starts to die.
The HALOGRAPH is not an electronic gadget, it's a mechanical heirloom. XERIC is a launching pad for our desire to create really unusual watches. Really unique ways of telling time, but always being quite legible.
The HALOGRAPH is super easy to read. Just above the frame twin balance mechanism, the halo hands float over the arcs and encircle the time. The inner arcs display the hours. The outer arcs display the minutes. Here it reads 7:10. As your day progresses on, now it's 10:35.
What's cool about the HALOGRAPH is we designed a watch now to be more of an ellipse. We wanted the crystal to dome up and create kind of an orb.
A watch isn't just about telling time now, because you have a phone, or you have another device that will give you time. The watch is a new way of expressing yourself.
I love the fact that nobody else is going to have it. It's so unusual that you have to be adventurous to wear it.
I want to wear something on my wrist that's unusual, that's not the norm, that's something out there that people haven't seen.